Chapter 13. Means of Transport. Introduction to the chapter. Transportation is the movement of people, animals and goods from one place to another. In ancient time, people traveled on foot or on the backs of animals, then they invented wheel. This led to the development of carts. People began using horse carts and bullock carts to go from one place to another. These were, however, very slow means of transport. Now, slow means of transport have been replaced by faster ones. We use buses, cars, scooters, vans, trucks, trains, ships and aeroplane. They help us to cover distance much faster than before. In this chapter you will study about the faster means of transport and their importance. Types of transport. There are three major types of transport: land transport, air transport, water transport. Land transport. Roadways. India has one of the biggest network of roads in the world. There are three major types of roads in India. National highways. It connects state capitals and seaport cities. State highways. It connects state capitals with other cities. District roads. It connects various cities of the district. All these highways are metalled roads. Villages mostly have unmetalled roads, also called kacha roads. Metalled roads are made from tar, cement and stone. Such roads are good for fast means of transport like buses and trucks. Kacha roads, on the other hand, are damaged and rendered unuseful during the rainy season. Metal roads have been constructed in border areas too. These roads serve our army especially. Railways. Railways are the cheapest and most popular means of transport in our country. They carry us to distant places. They transport heavy goods to distant places. Every day nearly 11,000 trains carry about 110 lakh passengers and about 10 lakh tons of heavy goods from one part to another. Railways were introduced in India in 1853 when a rail track was laid down between Mumbai and Thane. Today, India has the largest rail network in Asia and the fourth largest in the world. Almost all towns and cities are linked by railways. Earlier, steam engines were widely used in railways. Now diesel and electric engines have replaced them to increase the speed of trains. Superfast trains like Rajdhani Express and the Shatabdi Express travel about 110 kilometers in an hour. Metro runs under the ground. Currently there are 8 cities having metro rail system in operation. For example, Chennai, Bangalore, Gurugram, Mumbai, Jaipur, Kolkata and Delhi have metro train services. For the purpose of administration, railways have been divided into 9 zones. Besides, there are 3 types of gauges in use: broad gauge, meter gauge and narrow gauge. Air transport. Aeroplane and helicopter are the fastest means of transport. All the important cities of India are now connected by air. Air transport is especially useful in difficult traveling like deserts, mountains and thick forests. Aeroplanes transport perishable items like fresh fruits and vegetables to far-off places. They also carry mails and passengers. Air transport is very useful in times of emergency like floods, famines, wars, etc. Food, medicine, clothes, etc. are dropped at places during such times. Being costliest, air transport is in limited use passengers in our country. There are 5 major international airports in India: Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, Seher, Mumbai, Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, Meenambakkam, Chennai, and Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Water transport. India has a big coastline. 11 major and about 150 minor ports are situated on this coastline. Ships and big boats sail along the coast as well as to other countries. Mumbai is the largest seaport in India. Besides Kandla, Kochi, Mangalore on the west coast and Chennai, Vishakhapatnam, Paradeep and Kolkata on the east coast are the other seaports of India. There are many perennial rivers and canals too in India. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra are important rivers used for inland water transport. Kerala and Andhra Pradesh too have many waterways.